Hello guys, today we are at Dromkeen level crossing in County Limerick, and sorry I didn't get the closure. I got here a bit too late. I'd say that when it was closing it was only about a few seconds ago. Whenever I come here it's always down, literally always. You wouldn't get a time that it wouldn't be down. It has SPX barriers and LED lights. So the amenities are a bit different. Oh, here's the train. That's coming from Limerick. That's on the Limerick to Limerick junction line. Coming to Limerick. Class 22353. Up to Limerick. And up they go. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like and comment. That's it. Goodbye, guys.